In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use DSers with WooCommerce. First, you'll want to open your preferred internet browser and navigate to the DSers website. You can easily find it with a quick search using your favorite search engine. Once you've landed on the DSers homepage, go ahead and log in with your existing account information. If you don't yet have an account, be sure to register for one, as it will be essential for all the steps we'll be covering today. After logging in, you'll be taken to a platform selection page. Here, you'll need to look for the WooCommerce option, which is usually among the first choices. Clicking on WooCommerce will prompt a pop-up window to appear. In this window, you'll see an Install button. Clicking this will redirect you to the WooCommerce login page, where you'll need to enter your account credentials. Make sure your login details are handy. This step is crucial for syncing DSers with WooCommerce, so take your time to ensure your details are correct. When you're logged in successfully, you will need to complete a few more fields to authorize DSers to connect with your WooCommerce shop. This might sound a bit technical, but don't worry, it's simply about granting necessary permissions. Look for the Authorize button and click on it to finalize this connectivity process. Once your authorization is complete, DSers will be linked with WooCommerce, allowing you to manage and automate product imports seamlessly. Now, let's explore how to find and import products. Within the DSers platform, you can search for products, particularly from suppliers like AliExpress. After identifying the products you'd like to feature in your store, you can import them to your DSers import list. This allows you to have all your product options in one place, but the process doesn't end there. Once the products are in your import list, you'll have the opportunity to refine them. You can edit product details, such as titles, descriptions, and even adjust variants and pricing to better suit your branding and marketing strategies. These customization options are vital as they ensure your products are presented in a way that aligns with your store's identity. As customers start placing orders on your WooCommerce account, DSers will work in the background, automatically syncing those orders to your open orders list. This automation helps streamline the order process, allowing you to keep track of what's been purchased and manage logistics more effectively. Lastly, once an order is in your open orders list, you can effortlessly track its delivery status. This order tracking step helps enhance customer satisfaction, as you can provide them with timely updates regarding their purchases. And there you have it, a comprehensive introduction to using DSers with WooCommerce. With these steps, managing your e-commerce store becomes more efficient, freeing up your time for other important aspects of your business.